So sustainability has been a cornerstone of everything that we do. Our humble beginnings were in the organic agricultural sector, but this was a very small sector to grow on. So the next step forward has been to grow in the sustainable sector. So therefore, when we say palm oil for the greater good, it's making sustainable palm oil available for everybody. And this is just the beginning of what we expect is going to be a growing market. Apart from us producing a lot of sustainable palm oil, we're also large buyers in Colombia of sustainable palm oil. When we buy the sustainable palm oil, we work together with large families that have the capacity to fulfill these sustainable practices. But this is just a case of a few suppliers that can help us. The next step are co-ops. It's a case that in Colombia we've suffered from violence for a very long time. And here comes a solution, which have been the creation of co-ops that we call the Alliance for Peace. And this way we have brought them out of a violent situation, created jobs, and they participate part of the system. Another example would be our employees. When they work with sustainable purpose, they're actually working with purpose beyond profits. So we were there from the beginning, from the moment of inception in 2004, with the RSPO forming first in Southeast Asia and then in Latin America. As the platform grew and more people adopted it, it not only helped us to have a clear path, not only ourselves, but everybody else in the supply chain where we were heading. This platform has also been very helpful for us, open conversations to collaborate and not see the RSPO as a static standard, but as a dynamic platform in which we can innovate and go beyond the current standard where we are. Because today might be okay to do what we do, but in the future we can do better. Over the coming decades, one thing that we know is true is that population will increase. And as population increase, more vegetable oil is needed in the world. So given that, we need to keep our standards in that additional volume that's coming to the system. For quite a long time now, we've had a voluntary effort by many stakeholders to actually promote, achieve, and deliver sustainable oils. However, for the first time ever, we're going to see the European Union's regulation on deforestation and being enforced and creating a minimum legal limit for this to occur. So now I'm actually curious how this is going to change the industry, as we see that there's going to be a market that will be demanding minimum standards for these type of products, and then will this be motivating more people to jump in, and then more people to buy more products with palm than without? My message will be, when people collaborate and agree, amazing things can be done. We have had almost 20 years of collaboration working together in different parts of the world. I'm proud to say that we're one of the members in South America leading the way. We look forward for the next 20 years with the RSPO. Por otros 20 años maravillosos de gran progreso y sostenibilidad para el planeta.